Hi guys, so today we're going to make some quick and easy last minute beef fried rice. This recipe did not start off this way, but this is how it ended up with the limited ingredients I had. So we're going to start off by scrambling our eggs. You want to scramble a few eggs in a bowl. You want to whisk a lot of air into them to get it nice and fluffy. We're going to add our eggs to some melted butter in a skillet. And I like to cook my eggs like on a low heat. It seems like if you just kind of put them in the skillet and leave them alone, they'll get nice and fluffy. You don't want to mix them around too much. Now once our eggs are nice and scrambled, we're going to take them out and set them aside. Now to my skillet, I'm going to add some butter. Now if you're afraid of butter, this recipe isn't for you because butter is in every step of this recipe. That's why it's so good. Now, I was going to use some chicken, but when I smelt it, it did not smell up to par. I didn't want to wait for a steak to thaw out and have to slice it up, so I had some steakums. I really never eat steakums. I never buy steakums. I bought some because they were on sale. They came in handy because it turned out delicious, so you can use whatever meat you want, but this is just the one that was quick and easy for me to make. Now you want to go ahead and season your meat also. I use some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic salt. I like to get my meat nice and crispy too. So once your meat is cooked to your liking, you're going to go ahead and take it out and set it aside. We're just going to use the same skillet, you guys. We're just going to keep taking everything out and setting it aside. So in that same skillet, we're going to take a little bit of butter and we're going to saute some diced onions. And then we're going to add in some minced garlic to that. And we're going to let this continue to cook until the garlic gets nice and toasty. And then we're going to add in some frozen peas and carrots. And we're going to let this cook up for a few minutes. Now you can use fresh peas and carrots if you want, but this is just a quick and easy way. There goes that butter again. We're going to add a little bit of butter to our skillet. And then we're going to add in our cold, leftover white rice. You don't want to use like freshly cooked rice for this because it'll get mushy. You want your rice to be nice and cold. So this recipe is perfect for leftover white rice. To our rice, we're going to add in some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and a couple of seasonings. I added in some pepper, a little bit of salt, and some onion powder. You're going to mix that in, and now it's time to add everything back to the skillet. Now if you have some sliced green onions, please add some of those in here. I didn't have any, you guys, which I love green onion. We're going to add in our scrambled eggs. And we're going to toss this together. You also want to drizzle in just a little bit of sesame oil. You guys, this is so delicious. Just add some green onions and some sriracha. The perfect, quick and easy fried rice. Yum.